everybody. Welcome to another episode of That Sounds Holy. Woo. So, if you're watching, you would see that I am not with my regular co-servants. Joke, they're my friends, but they're not here, and they have left me because Vanya's still not here. She is doing her thing, flying around,
Fly away.
and Ayo is currently working as a very masipag person. But he's here. So, mamaya, tingnan natin in the next few episodes if he's gonna come back. But hello, Vanya and Ayo. We miss you. But buti na lang, we have a special guest right here today. And you can see her right here.
Hello.
She is Chelsea Toledo. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, Donuts. I am Chelsea Toledo, and I am Isa, Ayo, and Vanya's friend. I think.
Nag-renew na eh. Kasi every year yan eh. Ay, nasa bag ko. But every year, nagbibigay siya ng photo card niya. So, pag
Yes.
nabigyan ka no, na-renew na yung friendship niyo.
Yes po.
So, thank you for the renewal.
You're welcome.
So, for context, Chelsea has been my friend since 2014. 14, 15, mga ganon. When I started in the feast, she was already there. Because, of course, her parents are very much active in the ministry. But also, she was my acquaintance in high school. So she was a batch younger.
Yes.
Yeah, one batch lower. And I knew her as a dancer. As a very bibo dancer in school. Tapos, so syempre, context lang to, background lang muna. Nagulat ako syempre na when I saw her in the feast. And she was this very shy, very demure girl. Akalain mo yun.
Osco. Thank you for sharing that kasi marami din naniniwala na shy ako.
Shy siya dati. Ngayon,
Ayun.
next. So when I met her, she was very shy then. Tapos, parang doon lang kami naging friends talaga sa feast. And then after that, we journeyed together during the pandemic, right?
Yes.
So, in LST ba kita nun?
Yes.
So, akalain mo yun, yung parents niya nag-LST sa feast namin, pero ako yung nag-LST sa kanya. So, for those who don't know, LST is just a one-to-one journey just to get deeper in the faith. But I did that with her through Zoom.
Yes.
Tapos nag-Bible study tayo, all of that. Nung time na yun, parang very, ano ka pa, diba? Like, very, how would I say it? Because you were working in marketing that time.
Mm-hmm.
And you were also handling your own podcast, right?
Yes.
So, faith then, it was a very big thing in your life already, but not at the forefront. Am I right?
Yes. Correct. Ganun nga yun. Like, it was just a part of my life, I guess, especially during pandemic. Kasi I felt like I needed yung faith as one of the things that I had to hold on to. Again, one of the things. So it parang yun nga, it's just a way for me then, especially to cope, to understand at least what was happening. Kasi wala naman tayong clue kung anong nangyayari nun eh. So, journeying with you guys then, I think, aside from, I think it wasn't as deep as it is now, I would say. Like, ayun nga, it was just one of the many things that I held on to prevent myself from collapsing.
Right.
Yeah.
As anyone would during the
Yeah.
pandemic. But the reason why I invited you here today, I mentioned this earlier din naman, is because, for context, I've been getting a nudge to create more Catholic content, which I have been ignoring. Because I was explaining to Chelsea na baka bias kasi siya.
Yeah.
Kasi kung titingnan mo yung discovery feed ko sa
The
IG,
algorithm.
yung algorithm ko sa IG at sa TikTok, medyo malilito ka rin eh. Parang tama ba to? kasi yung, kunyari si Ayo, pag tinignan mo yung kanya, fitness, guitars, ganyan. Yung sa akin, may konting wedding planning na natira. May church content dahil nagsa-social media din ako sa church. Tapos merong K-pop, tas
Yeah.
Catholic content.
I love it.
So, pag tinignan mo naman yung YouTube ko, puro Catholic content na may K-pop. So, haluan mo ng konting true crime. Di ba sobrang weird? So, parang when I was getting that nudge na to create Catholic content, parang tama ba to? Tama bang ito yung nare-receive kong nudge? So I kept pushing it off until recently na ulit siya. So, sobrang klaro. As in, wala gawin mo, kailangan mong gawin, ganun. And I don't really know how to start.
Yeah.
And so ginagamit ko tong podcast na to.
Consultation pala to.
No, I was just curious kasi parang there was a shift in your content. So, prior to all of this, yun nga, you were doing a podcast which was about K-pop, right?
Yes.
As fellow K-pop stans.
Alam mo na yun.
And then you were also doing influencer marketing.
Yes.
Right? I remember that because you were handling other influencers, right?
Yeah.
And then you started creating your own content.
Mm-hmm.
And then one time, napansin ko na yung content mo nag-shift siya to faith-based content.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
I honestly have no idea.
So that's it?
That's all. I think for me, how did that happen? Because initially naman kasi, when there was a time wherein I said, I want to take it a little more seriously, I would say, creating content. Then, my goal was to be as authentic as possible.
Mm-mm.
So, kahit na, I would say, hindi sikat yung, or like I'm not on trend, you would say. Like if you look at my videos, a lot of it is just talking heads and it's just me splurting out nonsense, very in the moment stuff. I wanted to present myself as that, as very real, very authentic. I think it also had a lot to do with the fact that mas na-involve na ako sa youth ministry. And same rin with you. My algorithm was feeding me with that. I think yung difference lang natin, kung ikaw wedding planning, since ako single, puro relationship content, Kemerut.
Kaya nag-merge yung dalawang yon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I think a lot of it had to do with, I think, youth, the involvement in the youth ministry, and the realization of a lot of people, well, some of them, not a lot naman, look up to me as an ate, as someone journeying with them. So I think that taking that into consideration, I really thought about what kind of content will I put out. So parang dun yung lumabas yung, I want to be an ate figure. So not just in faith, also in career, also in other parts of their life. So that content na, I think nakita mo, yung Mama Mary yata yung nakita mo.
Yung one of the first ba yun?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So, I think that was just a very simple nudge. I was just like, I'm just gonna record this because this came from a real experience and bahala na how people will take it. And, ayun, so I just posted, I feel like I posted a lot of faith content, but then it was only when I asked, like, parang, Lord, sige, tutuloy ko pa ba to because I just resigned from work. So, sabi ko, sige Lord, tignan natin kung tutuloy ko yung pag-content na to. So I just kept on posting. And then the content that blew up was the faith content na, ano yun? Don't rush or like waiting on the Lord or something. As if sinasabi niya na, sige, pagpatuloy mo to, but this is how you're gonna continue doing it. So, ayun, there were struggles that came with that. Pero mamaya, tingnan na.
Okay. Okay, thank you sa teaser. But, kasi parang, when you started with the youth, no, parang, you were also hesitant about it, right?
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken.
Yes. Alam mo naman yun. Kasi,
may kasalanan kasi ako kay Chelsea. So, yung mga nakaka-journey ko na, like, whether it's LSD or like Bible studies, or basta mga nakikilala ko, meron akong habit of like, when people ask me for recommendations, na, uy, may kilala ka bang marunong magganto, ganyan. I-blurt out ko lang yung pangalan nila. Kumbaga, like, just putting them out there.
yeah.
But I forgot to ask if they're game.
Mga ilang beses na po ako nabudol ni Isa.
So I'm sorry.
Service.
I think
Okay
the first
lang.
time was, coordinator ba?
Yes.
Or
I think,
prod?
hindi, ano yun, worship leader yata yung pinaka-ano ko.
Oo. So, kinausap ko siya kasi dati kulang na kulang talaga tayo sa worship leaders. Parang, kaya mo yun. Kaya mo yan. Ganyan.
Yes.
Tapos yung susunod, parang tinanong ako, nasa meeting ata kami noon. Tapos naghahanap sila ng coordinator for FeastCon. Tapos parang ako,
Ikaw pala yun.
sorry, hindi mo pala alam. O so yun, ako yun. Nagtatanong sila, may kilala pa ba kayong pwedeng mag-co-ord? Sabi ko, na-try mo na si Chelsea sa Fiesta gig. Ganyan. Tapos kinuha ka doon. Tapos, nangyari siya ulit recently
Yung camp.
for camp. Parang
Fasi.
meron pa bang mga fasi? Si Chelsea! Ganun. Tapos ginawa ko rin sa kapatid mo. Naghanap silang gitarista. Si AJ! So, ewan ko, I'm just really proud of my friends.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
So, when you entered, yung sa camp na nagfasi ka, ganyan, and you wanted to be an ate to them, was that natural for you?
I think, for me, yes, yung pagiging ate because eldest daughter, eldest apo. So, inalagaan ko lahat ng mga pinsan ko and everything. And everywhere, most of the things that I join, like teams or, parang I end up always being the ate because I was watching videos last night because I unearthed my college videos. Tapos, ang daming, sabi ko, Ate Chels. Sabi ko, oh, okay. So parang, dati pa rin pala, I was very ate na
Yeah.
to these people. So, yeah.
So, itong content was driven by, kumbaga, the purpose na gusto mong mas maging ate sa mga youth. Tama ba?
With yung shift in my content, yes. So, bale, I want to show them that journeying with Christ can be fun, can be
Right.
lively, can be colorful. Kasi sanay tayo sa there are Catholic content creators who are very apologist or like really, their goal is to educate
yeah.
the people of their faith. Alam ko talaga na hindi hindi ako yon. So,
Okay.
I'm more of like, this is how my life is when I involve Jesus in everything. And
Ang
he's not
galing.
just a part of it. Parang ganun.
Ang galing.
Ayun po.
Okay. Ang galing naman nun. So, now that you're doing that, do you like plan it out or do you just do it as it goes? Ganun.
Yeah. So, actually, one of the struggles na sinabi ko kanina was, since that content blew up, natakot ako gumawa ng susunod.
So may pressure.
Na-paralyze ako ng slight.
Talaga?
Because I was always second-guessing the purpose of why I'm going to post the next one.
Okay.
Especially if it's faith-based. Because I'm like, Lord, popost ko lang ba to because I know this will get views? Or ito ba talaga yung
wow.
gusto mong i-share ko? So kaya sobrang tagal bago ako mag-post na.
Well, no, but that's good because it means you're discerning everything that you
Yeah.
put out there.
To a point wherein talagang, at one point talagang na-paralyze ako when it
Right.
came to creating faith-based content, I would
Yeah.
say. Because ayun nga, kasi nakakatakot siya. Because I know it's going to gain some traction. I should discern it talaga na para sa akin ba to? Para sa kanila? Parang ganun.
Wow. Because there's responsibility involved.
Yeah.
Ang galing.
Yes.
Do you get any pushback from it?
Wala naman so far. It's more on me. It's more
Okay.
on ako mismo yung think about this first. So it pops up like what happens is if an idea comes to my head, i-record ko yun. Kasi ano man naman, lalabas ko lang naman, ganyan lang naman eh. And then, I'll just keep it in the drafts. And then, I'll be
Okay.
like, okay, sige, ni-record ko na. So, tingnan na lang natin if, I'll pray, I'll keep on praying before I post it. So, kada post ko, pinag-pray ko muna yun bago ko siya i-post.
Wow. Oo.
Ayun siya.
So your social media manager is the Holy Spirit.
Yes!
Like, ito, i-post mo to ngayon.
Oh my
Ganon.
gosh, yeah.
Totoo.
Yeah,
Ang
kasi
galing.
as a background, di ba, I also, sumasayaw rin ako. So, of course, I also want to join classes.
Yeah.
It came to a point wherein, dinidiscern ko na rin yung mga classes na iti-take ko.
Really?
Yeah.
How? Like, what makes you...
Kung kumari, very suggestive yung sayaw, Very suggestive yung song.
So, very convicted ka.
Oo, because I did before,
Oo.
na-try kong sumali sa isang dance class na medyo suggestive. And it didn't feel right
Really?
talaga.
Even if it's your craft.
Even if it's my craft.
Okay.
Because, wala lang, parang, yun yung parang sabi ko, whoa, it's not as it was before anymore.
Yeah.
So, ayun, I tried it just for the sake of, I just want to enjoy it again.
Yeah.
But the whole time I was there, I was very
Uncomfortable.
I would say. Ayun. So kahit doon, even
Yeah.
that, because usually sa mga dance classes, you'll post the run after,
Yeah.
ganun. So even that, na I have to process it rin
Yeah.
before
Which-
attending.
Honestly, this is something I feel strongly about na hindi ko rin masyadong ang hirap kasi with the industry that we're in, like with
Yeah.
especially yan, influencer marketing or like ako sa music industry, parang hindi naman tayo pare-pareho ng pinaniniwalaan. And a lot of people, this is sad reality, pero a lot of people now either believe but don't practice or don't believe at all.
Yeah.
Right? And it's kind of difficult to be holistic in that sense. Na kasi, yun yung sinasabi namin dito sa podcast na hindi talaga pwedeng may divide eh. Hindi pwedeng, si Jesus nandito lang siya kapag nasa feast ako.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng ganun.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng, sa family ko, oo, religious kami, ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero pagdating dito sa work, okay na ako na lang to. Diba? Ang hirap nung ganun. So in that same way, when we're out there, hindi ko rin siya mapipigilan na convicted ako about some things. Like, the songs that I sing, the music that I listen to,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna make a confession right here. I love the feel and the vibe of Sabrina Carpenter songs.
Yeah.
But I just can't.
Gets naman. So, gets. I get it.
Yung ganon.
Yeah.
Kumbaga parang suddenly, even in the things that we enjoy, or like even in the things that we are used to,
Yeah.
meron ka ng filter.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
The Holy Spirit filter.
100%. Super. So, talagang after that class, I just started doing it like subconsciously. Talagang pinipili ko yung
Right.
classes ko. And also in my content, I think, because I also do relatable or like comedy content anyways. So my goal is, kailangan wala akong tinatapakan.
Okay.
If ever may tatapakan ako na lang. Yung tipo, cause single ako, keme, puro ganun na lang. So it's more on me than like, men are their problem, parang ganun.
Right.
So, it's more on that. I try to be more cautious of that. Na when people watch my content, they're not gonna feel negative or hindi sila lalong magagalit.
Right.
Ganun. So, ayun.
But, siguro to latch on to that, yung circle mo, like circle of friends mo, I'm sure not all of them believe in the same things. How do you navigate that?
Actually, it's still something that ang hirap. Mahirap siya. Hanggang ngayon, because I'm very close with my friends, even from before.
Yeah.
So, what I do, I think, is I'm just vocal about it, especially online. They're not, I think, maganda rin na even from before, they know that, oh, I love God.
So you were
go to
transparent
church, parang
about it.
ganon. Even before, kasi
Yeah.
nag-feast na rin naman na ako before. But I think more now,
Yeah.
especially with the content that I post. Some of the content that I post is for them.
Okay.
And I just pray. Lagi ko na lang silang pinagpe-pray before I meet up with them. I pray for them and I pray for me how I'll navigate through these
Yeah.
conversations, because it's really hard, because a lot of them, I don't know, may galit yata or,
Right.
may tampo with the
Right.
church. Well, coming from Catholic school rin,
Mm.
a lot of our friends or our batchmates, parang medyo hindi sila, yung pagturo ng faith sa atin, hindi as, I would say in-depth or
Yeah.
as, as we know it now.
It's very requirement based.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes. So I feel that's how they grew to know the faith.
Right.
Kaya medyo hindi sila, I don't know, more immersed. Since we're more immersed in it, parang I feel like I have a duty to
Yeah.
help them and show them that, okay, ako muna yung magmamahal sa inyo.
Gets.
Ganon. So,
The reason why I ask, it's not kumbaga parang hindi siya dahil like, hindi sila believers, ganyan, or whatever. It's more like, how do we take care of them without shoving in na, ito dapat, alam mo yun, but at the same time, not tolerating. Alam mo yun?
yeah.
I think this was one of my nudges also recently na I listened to a talk na may sinabi siya na bakit pag interests natin ang dali-daling mag-post, ang dali-daling mag-share, or like kunyari, ayan, may dadating na concert, may concert na mangyayari dito. Tapos,
Share lahat.
share natin, di ba? Post natin
Yeah.
yan. Or kunyari may nangyaring masama, or like na-disappoint tayo sa airport.
Mm.
Diba? Post natin yan, negative experience, ganyan,
Yeah.
ganyan. Pero pagdating kay Jesus, pagdating sa faith, parang ang hirap. Or
Yeah.
bakit hirap na hirap tayong mag-share?
Yeah.
Bakit hirap na hirap nating sabihin? So doon ako medyo na-convict na, oo nga no, like, we create so much content based on our lives, based
Yeah.
on what we do. But when it comes to faith, it's so, why
We're
aren't
holding
there,
back.
oo,
Yeah.
why is there so much hesitation?
Yeah.
Tapos may sinabi siya doon na parang to shine his light without compromising. Na hindi i-share mo si Jesus sa iba without holding back the truth.
Huy.
But at the same time, being compassionate enough to know that we're not all on the same page.
Yeah.
Like there's a balance to it. But I think what I got out of it is that hindi ko siya pwedeng i-water down. Hindi ko pwedeng i-gatekeep si Jesus. Gets ba?
Gets.
Na parang with everything that's been happening in my life or like everything that he's done for me, talaga bang sasarilihin ko yun? Parang
Yeah.
ganon.
I think same because I also was nagka-conviction rin ako na excuse me.
Yeah.
That I think in the same vein actually, in the same thought, parang we can never, how did I word that? Parang never be afraid to include Jesus in everything. Because it's the same parang we share so much about what we love. And if we love Jesus, we shouldn't be afraid to love him, to share
Yeah.
him rin eh. So parang ayun nga, because there's a fear nga of sharing him too much.
Yeah.
May ganon, well for me may ganon.
Okay.
Parang uy, baka naman puro Jesus yung ano ko. And I'm like, what's the problem with that?
Right.
Parang,
Right.
ayun, parang yun yung dalawang voices sa utak ko.
Si Chelsea 1 at Chelsea 2.
Yes.
Siguro parang sa akin, the way that I receive it, parang, yeah, there can never be too much of Jesus. Yan. Pero babalik ako dun sa sinabi mo na yung discernment na, am I posting this because it's what sells?
Yeah.
Or like, is it really my conviction that's making me post it?
Yeah.
And in the same way, if I post this, will people be more drawn to Jesus or be driven away by my righteousness?
Yeah. Pagdala. Hindi, pero yeah, it's always that. Na parang, is this shining more light on him or on me?
Right.
Yun
So how
ang-
do you balance it?
Di ko rin alam. Si Holy Spirit
Si Holy
lang.
Spirit talaga
Holy
yung social
Spirit
media
yun. It
manager.
really, honestly, it really just takes a lot of time for me to post it. Kasi
There's a lot
pinagpe-pray ko
involved.
talaga. And like, all of a sudden, kumari nag-grocery ako. Babalik sa akin yung video na yun. And like, is this just a distraction or are you telling me to post it? Parang
Right.
ganon. So, it's that. It's a lot of, so parang I keep watching the video and then bago ko rin i-post, pray muna ako bago ko siya i-post. Kasi
Yeah.
ganun ako ka takot? Is that's the word? Takot? Or like that's how much it
Cautious?
means to me
Yeah.
that sana hindi to lalabas na selfish. Parang gusto ko si Lord lang makita nyo dito.
Which
Parang
makes
ganun.
sense, ha? Kasi, I mean, I think it's also necessary because, yun nga, like with content, with social media in general, it's a me thing.
Mhm.
Alam mo yun? Parang,
Mhm.
it's so hard not to make it about someone.
Yeah.
When it's literally highlight reels all over.
Yes, ma'am.
But then like when you share about Jesus, parang it has to be balanced. It has to be personal yet not about me.
Yeah.
Sobrang
Mahirap po.
paradox talaga
Yeah.
Parang yung mga ways ni Jesus medyo
Mm-mm.
ang galing mo Lord pero paano?
Pero paano?
Paano natin
Baka
gagawin?
naman.
Di ba?
Yeah.
So siguro as we wrap up the episode, parang what do you want to how do you want to encourage people to be more open about their faith?
Ooh. I think with social media, it's a lot easier to share our faith. It's a lot easier to post your stories, to, share posts and all of that. If you're still warming up to being more brave in sharing your faith, I think that's a great way to start. And for those who want to start posting content or just for the sake of sharing Jesus to others, pag-pray nyo lang talaga siya. Because I have no other advice than to literally just pray about it and make sure that whatever you're saying, whatever you're sharing, it will shine the light on Him and not on you. It's not for personal gain at all. Ayun siya.
So, sorry, follow up ko lang dun sa sinabi mo na it doesn't have to be your main thing.
Yeah.
Like the content creation thing. You don't have to be an influencer to do it. You don't have to
Yes.
be a social media manager
Yeah.
or anything like that to share about your faith.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Like it doesn't even have to be polished. Like
Yeah.
and it doesn't even have to be on social media.
Yeah.
Like if you want to share
Yes.
about your faith through it also doesn't have to be through words. Diba?
Yes. Okay.
Kasi,
Yeah.
kasi parang, yun nga, like what we were talking about kanina, if I'm gonna be around people who don't believe in the same thing,
Mm.
if I bombard them with faith, with like, oh, we Catholics believe this, or
Yeah.
like, this, you should do this, you should do that, automatically they'd get turned off. But if they see the way I live my life,
Yeah.
if they see the way I post, even if it's not involving them,
Mm-mm.
diba? Parang, it's also a testimony. It's
Mhm.
also gonna lead people to at least be curious.
Yeah.
Bakit kaya?
I think for me rin, biased ako na I believe that everyone should start creating. Because parang if we're made in the image and likeness of God, our creator,
yeah.
then we should also create.
Yeah.
Instead of consuming, let's try to create more. So may
Yeah.
that be videos or, writing Substacks or whatever. So, yun. And I just feel like na-convict rin ako sa isang video na yun na parang stop consuming, start creating.
Wow. Yeah.
And create for that purpose na to share Jesus. Ayun.
Oh my gosh. So, na-convict na rin ako.
Yun na nga. So, start ka na.
Wait lang. Wrestling muna kami. Pero, yeah, I think that's, for me also, like, my takeaway from all of this is that we are also made to create. Right? We're made to create. Whether that's writing. Some people kasi they think like, oh, if you're creative, you're into like videos or like drawing or music or photography or whatever. But that includes so many other things. Like if you're more of a writer, then write.
Yeah.
If you're, alam mo yun, if you're
There's
if
so
you're,
many avenues now.
yeah, if you're into public speaking, then talk about it. It's just really, I think the conviction for me is yun nga, if I create so many other things,
Ooh.
then why can't I create for the purpose of sharing the gospel? It's I do it sobrang subtle in subtle ways eh. Like I've talked about it before that I do it with my music na akala mo love song kinakanta mo
Yeah.
worship yan.
Yeah.
Yan. But at the same time I think I'm way past that. Like
Mm.
there's a call now to be more intentional about it. And I don't think it's just for me. Like if you're also feeling the nudge of like creating for the creator,
Mhm.
whether that's through photography, through music, through speaking, through writing, then let's do it together.
Yes.
Let's begin together. And it
Yes.
doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be polished. It just has to be real.
Yes.
And it just has to be for him.
Yeah.
So
Ay, exciting.
exciting times. You want to invite them to follow you.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Hi. You can follow,
Welcome to another episode. Umulit from the top. Okay.
you can follow me on Instagram at Chelsea Toledo and at TikTok at _Chels Toleds. Ayun, dito pala. So you can follow me on Instagram at Chelsea Toledo and on TikTok at _Chels Toleds. Yeah.
Yeah, follow her if you want content about
Kung ano-ano.
single life.
Yeah,
And
single kay Lord.
Mga comic
F1.
relief. F1, ayan. Tsaka, of course, if you want more content about Jesus and about faith. And maybe draw inspiration from that too. I can't wait to see also what you guys create out of
Yes.
this episode,
Yes.
out of whatever thoughts you have. Share your takeaways in the comments. And of course, subscribe. Leave us 5 stars. Walang other option. Hindi pwedeng 4,
Correct.
hindi pwedeng 3, 5 dapat. Okay, and share this episode with your friends. Share it to the person you think has to start creating. And we'll see you in the next episode.